Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a challenge you faced that you thought was rather difficult. You should say, what was it? When and where did you face it? Why do you think it was a difficult challenge? And explain how did you feel at that time. Preparing for my IELTS exam, particularly the speaking module, was one of the hardest things I've had to do in recent years. I made the decision to apply for a higher education program overseas a few months ago, and in order to be eligible, I needed to have a high band score. During the 2 months or so that I spent preparing, I had to deal with this difficulty at home. Although I was doing well in reading and listening, I soon discovered that I was having trouble speaking clearly and smoothly, particularly when it came to cue cards and follow-up questions. I had signed up for some online programs. Because I come from a background where English isn't spoken frequently in daily life, this assignment felt really challenging. Speaking in front of people also made me quite nervous, and I frequently ran out of things to say or paused in the middle of sentences. It undermined my self-esteem and gave me the impression that I wouldn't be able to do well on the real test. I was under pressure, anxious, and frustrated at the moment. I even considered delaying my test. However, I made the decision to take on the task directly. In order to assess my errors, I started watching sample IELTS speaking videos, practicing cue cards every day with a timer, and recording myself. To increase my fluency, I also spoke to friends in English and visited websites like YouTube. I started to feel more at ease gradually. My pauses decreased, my vocabulary grew, and I discovered how to clearly organize my responses. I eventually achieved a score that was significantly higher than my target band and was able to talk confidently when I took the test. In conclusion, even though I found the IELTS speaking exam preparation to be a difficult task, it taught me the value of practice, perseverance, and self-belief. I feel inspired and proud of myself now that I've overcome what seemed insurmountable at the time. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.